Hi there, Arnold Muscat from College Africa Group. I wanted to share you a tip in Outlook how to save email addresses that may be in the CC or BCC part that you need to save. The easiest way out is to go reply all, click on the first one, hold down the shift key, end and page down until you hit to the bottom. That's highlighted all of the addresses, in this case 316. Go copy, open up Excel and go to the paste and use the text import wizard, and it says what is separating these emails. In this case you can see it as a semicolon, so you click on next, semicolon, and in this case you can go finish. Unfortunately now it's placed them all on the same row, so what we do is go copy, click underneath there on A3, paste special, and this trick is transpose. Click on transpose and there they are. I hope you find that helpful. It's Arnold Muscat from College Africa Group. Thank you.